Hello. Right now we're going to be talking about the tool Bubble Us, which I thought it was Bubble US, but it's Bubble Us. Um, it's a pretty old technology tool. It's not a newer um, one. It's a mind mapping tool. So what it is, it's like so you can create different graphic organizers, organize thoughts. Compared to the other graphic organizers that I've used, it may be a little bit outdated, but I think that it has a lot of pros. So let's go through those. I've already created an account, otherwise you would sign up here. So we can go to that. These are mind maps that I've already created. So let me just go to one. This is one that I created to show how you can use it to show things in order. So this could help your students know that, okay, so in their paragraph, they're going to have a topic sentence, supporting details, and then a conclusion. So you can use it for that. You can also use it for cyclical graphic organizers. And if I go back here, this is another one. I use it to create my personal learning network, which is also going to be on the site. I used it to create this for, it shows muscle innovations and adaptations. I was helping teach a lesson. So these are the main points, and then you can see that I used it to have little different offshoots. The one thing I really like about Bubble is that it already has different color families. So it really helps, all right, the darker color is the main idea, then it gets lighter as you get out. That's one thing. In my personal classroom, I would use Bubble to help students organize their ideas. I would also use it to have them come up if we had a smartboard. They could add their ideas, so I could create my own mind map. You're only allowed to have 3 at a time, so let me delete one so we can create one together real quick. You just hit new mind map, and then you can start. So I could have my students come up, and then they would use this. You can just tab over, and then they can add their ideas. And that's how I use it in my classroom.